In this section, we'll be taking a look at configuring text and job options in FM Web. We can create predefined messages, and we can specify what message receipts we would like enabled by default. Click on Options and then Page Options. Click on the Message Options tab. Here you can check the boxes for which message receipts should be enabled by default when sending any text messages. Once done, click Save. To add predefined messages, click on the plus. Enter a description. This will display as the subject line in the message, and then the body of the message. Check the box if this should be a selectable predefined text message, and click on the tick to accept. The predefined message should now be displayed. We can also configure predefined responses for the driver. Again, we follow the same process. Click on the plus, add the response in the space provided. Check the box if this should be a standard response, which is always available when a driver responds to a text message, and click on the tick to accept. To configure the job options, click on the Job Options tab. Here you can check the boxes for which message receipts should be enabled by default when sending any job. Click Save once your choice has been made. Here we can also specify a predefined message. Click on the plus sign, enter the description, and this will display as the subject line in the job, and then enter the body of the message. Check the box for the message to be a selectable default message, and then click on the tick. Now if we take a look at the messaging, we can see the predefined message which has been created, and that the required message receipts are enabled by default, which saves from having to select the boxes each time a message is sent. The same applies for when jobs are selected. Again, we have the predefined message, and the required boxes are selected by default. And this brings us to the end of this section.